Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 ways social work students can organise themselves to submit good quality assignments on time. From my experience, I know that social work is a challenging course that requires a lot of time and effort to make sure you complete your assignments on time. But with the right organisation, it's possible to stay on top of things and reduce your levels of anxiety. So by drawing on my many years of experience as a social work academic, I want to bring you 5 top organisational tips. So let's get started with tip number 1. One of the most important things you can do to stay on top of your assignments is to create a study schedule. Use a calendar or a planner to keep track of your assignments, the due dates and study sessions. Make sure you allocate enough time for each task and don't forget to schedule breaks to avoid burnout. Right, moving on to tip number 2. I've always found that a cluttered workspace can be distracting and can hinder your productivity. Make sure you keep your workspace organised and free from distractions. So remove any unnecessary items from your desk and make sure you have all the materials you need to complete your assignments. Moving on to tip number 3. Time management is crucial when it comes to completing assignments on time. Using a timer can help you stay focused and make the most of your time. To my students, I tend to suggest that they use the Pomodoro technique. This involves working for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break. Then you repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This technique will help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Also remember to prioritise your tasks based on their urgency and importance. So look to see, well, what's the first assignment that's due, what's the second one, and so on. Moving on to tip number 4. Working with other students can be a great way to stay motivated and get support. So my suggestion is form a study group with your classmates and work together to complete your assignments. This will allow you to share ideas and help each other understand complex topics. Plus, studying with others can make the process much more enjoyable and less isolating. And finally, tip number 5. It's really important to take breaks and practice self-care when you're working on assignments. Taking breaks can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Take a short walk, meditate, or do something else that helps you relax and recharge. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Please use the comment section below to let me know if you found these tips helpful. I'll also add some resources in the section below. And remember, staying organised is the key to submitting good quality assignments on time. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to academic success. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.